Hi, this video will demonstrate how to properly clean your MSA Cairns fire helmet. This applies to any MSA Cairns fire helmet, traditional or modern, except for the 880 or leather helmets. So to start with, we'll remove all the soft goods from the helmet. There's no tools needed. Everything is held in with Velcro tabs. So we'll start by removing the ear lap. Then we'll remove the ratchet band liner, the headband liner, also held in with 4 Velcro tabs. And then lastly, if your helmet came with the optional crown pad, you can remove that. Now that you have all the soft goods removed, they can be either hand washed in mild soap and water, or you can launder them in an optional mesh bag that came with your helmet if you ordered a spare soft goods kit. Now that we have all the soft goods removed, we can clean the shell of the helmet. So just use mild detergent and warm water with a soft bristle brush or a sponge to clean off any material from the outside of the helmet, and then the same goes from the inside. You can just clean it with a soft bristle brush and warm water and mild detergent. After you've cleaned it, make sure you rinse it properly with clean water and dry it off as well. Now that we have the helmet cleaned and we've got a dry, clean set of soft goods ready, we'll show you how to reinstall the soft goods. So a little tip to install the headband liner is to raise up the adjustment on the front of the headband, because you need to slide that down in between the liner and the impact cap. And once you get it down in there, you're going to position these Velcro tabs so they come back up on the inside of the headband. So just slide that down into place and then reach inside and pull those Velcro tabs up into place behind the headband. And once you have everything in position, you can just fold the headband liner down onto the Velcro and into place, and then readjust your height adjustment. Now we'll reinstall the ratchet band liner and the headband liner if you have it. Just open up the Velcro tabs, lay it down into the webbing on the top of your crown of your helmet, and fold the Velcro underneath to hold it in place. Next, we'll install the ear lap. So there's a continuous stretch of loop material for the Velcro that's going to be attached to the 5 Velcro tabs on the inside of your impact cap. To do that, we'll line up the center of your ear lap using the seam here as a landmark, and we'll attach that first in the center tab, and then work around each side to the next tab, and then the end tab on each side has an extension on it that can reach down into the Velcro at the bottom of your helmet. And then do the same for the other side. Now that you've got all your soft goods installed, that concludes the cleaning of your MSA Cairns fire helmet.